How to fix Steam Error Code E84 fix. So if you want to fix your Steam Error Code E84, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with your Steam website or go with the browser and try resetting your password. And even after resetting, if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is just right click on your Windows and go with Run. Now under Run, you need to enter percentage temp percentage and then hit the enter. And here you will have all of the unwanted files or the temporary files. So what you need to do is simply go with Control A and select all of that, and then go with delete, which is here on the upper side, and click on do this for all current items, and then go with skip. And after that, it will delete all of your temporary files. And once it deletes all of your temporary files, your problem may be fixed. If that doesn't solve your problem, now you need to go with the settings. And under settings, you need to click on time and language, and then click on date and time. And here you need to choose set time zone automatically. You need to turn it on. And after doing that, you need to scroll down and go with sync now option. And after that, restart your device and your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is just simply go with your Steam shortcut, right click on it, and go with the properties section. Now under properties, you will have this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply go with the shortcut tab, and what you need to do is just simply go with the target option. And under target, you need to add something, which is you need to go with dash login dash nor at login, and then hit the enter or go with apply and OK. And after that, you can open up your Steam and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your Steam error code. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.